So it's then next type Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 driver. So go to this first URL, right click to new tab. You can see this is your, and you can, if you don't know about your model number, so you can detect to your automatic, you can see the serial number, otherwise you can enter the serial number and then click to search. So you can see this is two type to find out your laptop required driver. First automatic, you just click to scan now, it's laptop required driver automatically install. And this is second is the is manual, so just click to driver. Okay, so first this is audio driver, and this is audio driver Dolby. You can install this one also, and you can this also. Okay, just click to download. After that it start automatically. You can see here one download in progress. Then guys, single click to open. Then click to yes, I accept, next. So there are two type, first extract and this is only. So guys, select install, then the next, and install. Now this is, you can see this is installing the driver .exe and dial file. So now you can see the audio driver is successfully installed, and then okay, and then finished. Then restart your system.